There we go. Bird number 1 of 2021. Fetch. Give. B. Dead bird. Dead bird. Good girl. Fetch. Good girl, B. Fetch a bird. Fetch. Hey, Lodi. Lodi. Fetch. Fetch. 4:40 p.m. I think we're going back. 13-year-old dog has a different idea. She gets up 250 yards above me on a less than level spot and goes on point. So I'm still 190 yards out. I haven't seen her and I'm tired. I'm like on mile 8 or 9 but can't let the dog flush the birds. Might take me a bit to get up there, but I hope I get a shot after all this effort. Having a hard time to whether she's above these rocks or below the rocks. Oh great, looks like she's above. Sometimes gadgets get to you. Down to 150. were. You had them, didn't you? Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Yeah, give. Look at that bird. She led me all the way up here. 250 freaking yards. And there were birds here. Oh, I got sucked up here by the dog. Got another bird. Hey! 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 I had to call her off. She's probably smells something up there. Come on! Let's go! It's gonna be dark. Gotta get off this hill and then look. I'm across the flats. Might need my headlamp tonight. What was that? Good boy, Fetch. You caught one out of the freaking air. Come here. Hey, Lodi. Fetch. Fetch. I've never had a dog catch a bird out of the air. Still like, hey, 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 hey. Fetch it. Lodi. Fetch. Fetch. Give. Holy crap, that's an unlucky bird there. And another unlucky one down the hill. Wow. Fetch a bird, dead bird, dead bird. Good boy. Oh, that made my day. Catch a freaking bird out of the air, and I think I got it on film. Can you believe that, buddy? And I got a double and I only shot once. Come here. Hey, Fetch. Hey, little Fetch. Give. Oh, that's something else. There's one that I shot. What do those two think? Huh? What do you two think? You got one tired one and two that are ready to go. Yeah, right? Yeah. There's the hunter, today's hunter. You're moving, huh? You're not wore out yet. There's a 17-mile dog in average almost 5 miles an hour, and she's over 13 years old. Did 17 miles today. We saw 2 birds, and they're going back empty-handed. Dead bird. Dead bird. Good boy. Give. Easy. Wild running bird. Oh well, they did pretty good. Easy. Boy. Good boy. I don't know if that's what he was pointing, but I got it. That's number 6. A bird there. Good boy, dead bird. Wow, that bird went a long ways. I thought that bird was dead. Nice belly flop. Another mark on the gun. Dead bird. Okay, I'll pick that one up. And I'll pick the other one up. Kind of hot, isn't it? Lodi. There it is. Give. Find the bird. Dead bird. Was it right next to me? Shit, I'm standing on it. Look at that. There it was. I marked that one pretty good, huh? That is funny. Standing 6 inches from it. And I call you over to find it. Good point, Lodi, but I think... Oh, you did find it. Good. Freaking safety. Oh, man, what am I doing here? Oh, I should have had that bird. No excuses there. How's it going? Whoa. How you doing?
Good, man. Watch the cows.
Oh, you looking for cows?
Yeah, man, you know watch the cows?
No, I hunt up here quite a bit, but I was up here about a week and a half ago. Don't remember seeing any. I see a lot of horses, but I haven't seen any cows. I see tracks. Is that your horse down there at the trailer? Yeah. Oh, okay. No.
Pick up.
Oh, okay. Got a running bird up here. He keeps following it. Sorry, I haven't seen any cows today at all. Okay, thank you. Fly! Oh, look at that. I thought there was only one here. And then out they came. Oh, Lodi. That's a little guy, isn't it?
I was mad at myself, pissed at the world. It was hard to get up, but I put one foot in front of the other, kept on keeping
Right in, like 3 feet away from me. Holy cat! I thought there's no wing beats on the snow, so I figured it still had to be in there. Nice. That doesn't want to come out of there, huh? I'm right on top of the freaking thing. I hate these kind of shots. Well, if I get a shot. Lab, I guess. Oh, watch him, watch him, watch him. Okay, they didn't go far. Should have had that. Fly! Oh, shoot. Nice safety. Didn't get my gun up. Dead bird. There it is. It's in there. Get the bird. It hides in there. Where is it? Dead bird. Dead bird. I see it in there. There it is, right there. There it is. Oh, there it's trying to go. Oh, there it is. Is there quail nearby? I don't see any tracks, but I can't doubt you, can I? Can't doubt you. In there. How do you smell it? Huh? Oh, look at that. I got a quail, I guess. Fly! 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 Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? It's in here, isn't it? Where is it? Where's the bird? It's not there. Hiding under that, all that snow. It's in there, isn't it? Get the bird. What's it doing in there, Bee? Where is it? Where is it? Not come out? I gotta get over there so I can see this. Is it in there? There it is. Oh, I couldn't even see it. Oh man, those little buggers stay low to the ground. Even with my yellow glasses on, I couldn't see that thing. Easy. They're in there. Right where you're pointing. They just got to come out. Which way are they gonna go? What do you think, Bee? Easy. Easy. Okay, let's fly. Come on. Let's fly. Fly, birds. See bird tracks. Where'd the birdies go? There she is. Bee. What do you think? I think I'm probably in range. They're gonna be too close like that one. On that second one. Okay. Good girl, Bee. I knew I shouldn't have shot at that second one. In there. There it is. Fetch. That bird there, B. Whoa. Good girl. Now what are we gonna do? I think I see tracks. I think I see where a bird landed. I bet it's right here. Getting these birds to fly ain't easy, is it? It's not easy today. Which way would be the best way for them to go? Probably make them go up canyon like last time. Might be more than one here. Easy. It's right here, isn't it? When is it gonna fly? Come on, birdie. Oh, that's how you're gonna play this game, huh? Easy. Easy. Who do you think that bird is? It's right here, isn't it? I'm too close, huh? I'm afraid to move my feet because it'll come out right when I do that. Don't want to stumble. What's it gonna do? What's it gonna take to get that birdie out of here? I think there might be two birdies right here. Is there one right here and one right there? Oh shit. No, there was three. And I wasted my second shot again. But they went up canyon. Fetch it here. What a good girl. I think I saw a track. Easy. Easy. Gotta keep the sun behind me, huh? Oh, what a nice day. There's number 6. I'll take it. See a feather. No, that's a stick, I guess. Should be right down in here somewhere. Right down there. Dead bird. Dead bird. Oh, it was buried in there, wasn't it? Look at that. Look at you. I would have lost that bird. Fetch it. Oh, what a proud girl. Bring it here. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Easy. There it is. Fetch. Fetch a bird. Good boy. Wow. That bird ran 130 yards from where I dropped it. Couldn't even shoot at that first one because flew right out where the dog was. But I think that gives me 6 for the day. And a couple of decent shots there at the end, cripples. I believe those 2 are dead. Lodi! Dead birds over here, dead birds. Good boy, good job. There's one of them right here. There's the other one, you got it, huh? Well, that might be the one for the day. 3 hours hiking in the wind. Never saw a bird. She finds these when I'm 100 yards from the truck. Fetch. Good boy, fetch. Give. Dead bird. Find the bird. Dead bird. Good boy. You have a dead bird there? Where is it? It's hiding. Dead bird. Oh, there it is. Good boy. Good boy, bud. Chicken. Boom. Here we go. Come on by. Boom. Chickens. 9 miles today for me and 28.1 for the dog. Average of 6 miles an hour. That's not too shabby. Young dog.